And today we're going to be taking camshaft doohickeys out of the head here because the timing chain tensioner broke actually. So that's fun. Shouldn't take too much here. Just a T30 torque bit to get these out, and then pretty much you just lift it off from there after you get all the cam caps out. The most important thing with this is to keep them in order because they have to go back on in the same position. So just clean out some of this crap over here. Throw an extension on here. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm going to start here. Oh, wow. Okay. It's a little more in there than I thought it was going to be. Let's see. I'm going to put this right here, see how that works. There we go. Okay. Crack them loose real quick. Go. Okay. Those are basically loose. Well, most of them are on the side, Alright. Oh, come on. That one might have stripped out a little bit there, so that's fun. Oh, fuck you. Alright, now we just gotta worry about those two. Okay, sick. Alright. There's enough light left in that one. Yes. Hell yeah. All right. I'm gonna do this one. My hand. This one too. All right. This, I'm not doing it. Alrighty then. Okay, so what I'm gonna do. Actually, oh shit. Yep, that's not what I wanted to do. Technical difficulties. 1 second. Stuck to my magnet. Obviously. Okay, that's just gonna stay there. It's gonna knock all my shit over. Oh wow, why is this so tight? That would be why. Okay. Okay. Not what I wanted to do. There we go. Oof. Okay. Chain tensioner is out. Does not look good. What the fuck? It's weird. Pretty sure it's also not just supposed to fall apart like that. Alright, intake cam is out. Looks really, really good in here. Beautiful. Just gonna set that down. Here, actually. The seal is stuck. There you go. And I'm going to replace these seals at the end. Because why not? But that looks pretty good. So I go here. Gently. Place that there. All the mating surfaces and caps look good. one also looks pretty good. Come see. Cam looks pretty good. Don't see any noticeable wear or anything. Some little debris in there, here and there, but nothing major. Oh, wow, actually, now that I'm looking, I do see some wear here. I don't know how I didn't catch that before. I mean, they're still not bad. I'm probably going to run them anyways and see what happens after I clean them up. Because why not? And then I'll go from there. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.